Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up modes and routines on Samsung Galaxy A57. So modes and routines is the Samsung's name for focus mode, as it is presented on most other devices. And to add your new focus mode, you have to swipe down the control center, then tap the gear icon to open settings, and here open modes and routines menu. Now, as you can see, we have plenty of preset modes like sleep, theater, driving, exercise, relax, work, game, and custom. And besides all of these modes, we can also add a new one. We can create a name for it. We can add an icon for it. We can change the name. Let's name it bar. Tap done. Okay, now we have to select when we open this mode. Sample the place. Okay, then we can also change the time period. And then let's select what we want to stay focused during the activity of this mode in the respective menu. So we can enable do not disturb mode. We can restrict applications usage. Now, as you can see, we can only use selected apps, and if you want to add more apps to the list, you have to select them here, then tap done. Okay, and now let's turn on this mode, and now we are in the bar mode. Okay, so now we can also set up routines. We can tap add. Now, to add a new routine, we have to tap the plus icon at the top. Then we have to add a condition in F. So, for example, wake up time. Then we have to get a notification, for example, or we have to enable a specific mode. So let's select turn on mode, custom mode, and then we have to tap save, and now we have our first routine. We can delete it if we don't like it. And that's pretty much how you set up modes and routines on your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.